the Therapressure technique. Ashley, can you take off your boots first? Have the child remove what they can on their own. You want to touch them as little as possible. You okay taking off your sweater, or you can leave it on? So you can either have the child's clothes off ahead of time, or they can be on. You just need to be aware where the fabric and the clothing is. So if you're to do brushing, you always want to do it on the skin first and then separate and do the clothing. So if it's all skin, then you do it all in one brush. And so we're going to start with the arms. You want to brush as hard as you can. You should see the bristles completely bending over. So it should be as hard pressure as you can apply. You're not going to hurt anyone. It should feel good. But as hard as you can push. So you're going to hold on, do the arms first, going back and forth, trying to cover all the surface of the skin at least 2 to 3 times each, and then you'll hold the fabric of the clothing so there's not any wrinkles. And then we'll go down, flip the palm over 10 times out. We'll do the other arm. You can do this in any order as you want, as long as you remember the order and don't miss a body part. We'll go over, flip the palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go up to her back. We're going to hold the clothing tight on the back as we can. So I'm going to do this separate because she has a little bit of an opening, but we'll do up and down, and then we'll go up and down, and then we're going to go side to side on bare skin. So covering all the areas, and then we'll move down to her legs. You can either do the full legs at once or separate them, the thigh and calf, depending how long the legs are. So the more clothing, the harder you're going to have to push. Go up. If the child's ticklish, you want to hold the top and bottom of the foot to try to help with that, and then you're going to go up as hard as you can 10 times. Down. Sorry, Ashley.
You're fine.
It's going to feel better if it's on bare skin, especially if you have jeans on. If the child's not ticklish, you can just hold them like this and go up. Is that okay? Brushing your socks here. Okay. After you do all of that, you're going to do the joint compressions. So you come behind, up on the shoulders, push down 10 times for all compressions. You can do the elbows and shoulders, so some joints you can do together. So this will get both the elbow and the shoulder.